This Chinese New Year, we decided to use the break to visit the new Chinese mosque in Klang, Selangor, as it's becoming quite a tourist attraction.
Wow!
Hi, this is Leslie, and Economy Traveller found the mosque easily as it's close to the Aeon Bukit Tinggi Mall, outbound from Klang on Jalan Langa. When the Light Rail 3 is completed in 2025, you'll be able to catch the train and hop off at Aeon Bukit Tinggi station. You'll pass the mosque on your left just before the stop. The mosque was built upon the instructions of the Selangor Sultan, who asked the architects to visit and model it on the Grand Mosque in Xi'an, China, which dates from 742 AD during the Tang Dynasty. Non-Muslims are welcome to visit, but we must dress appropriately with long sleeves and covered legs and a scarf to cover the hair for women. You'll also need to take your shoes off. There are racks on your right. The mosque is welcoming with multiple entrances, doorways and large open courtyards and verandahs, some of which are used as learning spaces. These also provide extra space for communal worship and are marked to fit everyone in. The wide verandas and courtyard are cool and are marked to give extra places for worshippers during Friday prayers. Ablution blocks are conveniently placed to accommodate large groups. Another ablution facility can be found beside the car park, and extra spaces are available to latecomers during Friday prayers. The Sultan also decreed that sermons would be translated into Urdu once a month for the benefit of Indian Muslims. Here and there you'll see Islamic verses with Chinese, Malay and English translations. What does that say?
Alhamdulillah.
Is that right?
All praise be to Allah.
Okay, thank you. We popped into the little shop, which features a glass case filled with gourds from China, with beautiful calligraphy of every chapter in the Quran. It was also a pleasure to meet the architect, Tuan Haji Muhammad Rida Lua, who was in attendance that afternoon.
You were here today on Chinese New Year?
Yesterday was here.
You're here on Chinese New Year.
Yesterday was here, so we come here.
Hello, Haji. Nice meeting you.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. You don't mind me doing video? It's okay?
Okay, doing video.
You have prayer area. You have a study area. You have a community service area. Then one space you can use for a few different functions. So we don't have big prayer hall. But Friday, all still up to
Yeah.
Tuan Haji Ridha offered to show us the plans of the mosque and how they relate to the Xi'an+Grand+Mosque, which we'd visited in China in 2011. On the way to the community centre, we stopped by the as yet unused area for washing the deceased.
It's a rectangular gate. The length is 250 meters. It's about 55 meters. You have the main prayer hall here. You have the learning area. You have the community service area. So it's a very old masjid, old building. And you have been there.
Yeah. We came through here.
Hey, feel free to help yourself. Okay,
The linear layout of the Xi'an Mosque needed to be split to fit into the triangular, smaller shape of the Klangland, making this design a clever use of the space. We hope you enjoyed our walkabout and will like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.